The Nissan Silvia S15 is widely regarded as one of the greatest Japanese sports cars ever. Impressive acceleration and an exciting driving experience. Power was sent to the rear wheels through either a close ratio 6-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic, although the manual gearbox quickly became the favorite among enthusiasts. One of the reasons the S15 became such a respected driver's car was its balanced chassis. Nissan equipped it with an independent suspension setup at both the front and rear, allowing the car to remain stable through corners while still providing excellent feedback to the driver. The Spec R model also featured a helical limited slip differential, helping deliver power effectively during hard acceleration and making controlled slides easier for experienced drivers. This combination of lightweight construction, rear-wheel drive, and responsive steering made the S15 one of the best handling sports coupes of its era. For buyers who preferred a more affordable option, Nissan also offered the Spec S model. Instead of the turbocharged SR20DET, it came with the naturally aspirated SR20DE engine, producing around 165 horsepower. Although it lacked the explosive performance of the Spec R, the Spec S still delivered excellent handling and became a popular platform for modifications and engine swaps. Perhaps the biggest reason for the Silvia S15's legendary status is its incredible tuning potential. The SR20DET engine is famous for its strength and reliability, making it one of the most tuner-friendly engines ever produced by Nissan. Simple upgrades, such as a larger intercooler, a high-flow exhaust system, improved intake, boost controller, and ECU remap, can significantly increase power without sacrificing reliability. With upgraded turbochargers and supporting modifications, many owners comfortably achieve 350 to 450 horsepower on stock internals. Fully built engines have even exceeded 700 horsepower, proving just how capable the platform really is. The Silvia S15 quickly became a favorite in the drifting community. Its near-perfect weight distribution, responsive steering, and rear-wheel drive layout made it an ideal machine for controlled oversteer. Professional drift drivers around the world chose the S15 because it was predictable, reliable, and easy to modify. It became a regular sight in major drifting championships and helped define the modern drift scene, earning a reputation as one of the greatest drift cars ever built. Beyond motorsports, the S15 also became a global icon through movies and racing video games. It appeared in numerous street racing titles, introducing millions of gamers to the Silvia name. Its sleek design and tuning potential made it one of the most recognizable Japanese sports cars alongside legends like the Nissan Skyline GTR, Toyota Supra, and Mazda RX-7. Even in countries where the S15 was never officially sold, enthusiasts dreamed of owning one after seeing it dominate both virtual and real-world racing. Inside the cabin, Nissan focused on creating a driver-oriented experience. The cockpit featured deeply bolstered sports seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, easy-to-read gauges, and controls positioned within easy reach. While the interior wasn't overly luxurious, it perfectly matched the Silvia's purpose as a performance-focused sports coupe. Every element was designed to keep the driver's attention on the road. Today, the Nissan Silvia S15 is more desirable than ever. Since production ended in 2002 and no direct successor was ever introduced, clean examples have become increasingly rare. Rising demand from collectors and enthusiasts has caused prices to climb dramatically, with low-mileage, well-preserved Spec R models often selling for the impressive sums. What was once an affordable tuner car has become a valuable collector's item. More than 2 decades after it rolled off the production line, the Nissan Silvia S15 continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. Its beautiful design, legendary SR20DET engine, exceptional handling, and unmatched tuning potential have secured its place as one of the greatest JDM sports cars ever built. Whether it's carving through mountain roads, sliding sideways on a drift circuit, or proudly displayed at a car show, the Silvia S15 remains a symbol of Japan's golden era of performance cars and a machine that continues to inspire generations of automotive enthusiasts.